Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Rose Ann Concepcion, 36 years old. I have a husband and a 10-year-old son. I live in Purok 4, San Fermin, Cagayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I have a brother and I am the eldest child of the family. I am a college graduate. I graduated from Our Lady of the Pillar College, Cagayan with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I worked before in the United Arab Emirates for 2 years as a domestic helper to a couple with 4 kids. A 10-year-old, an 8-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 2-year-old. But most of the time, the kids are with their mother. So, my main duty was to clean the house, do the laundry and ironing, cooking, and washing the dishes.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
As I've said earlier, sir, the kids are mostly with their mother. So when they're sick, she takes care of them. But as a mother personally, I will make sure that I give their needs, especially when they're sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest person, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
I had a surgery once when I gave birth to my son, sir. It's 2 inches long.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad, sir, so I can provide for my family and to be financially stable in the future, hopefully.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work, sir, and remind myself that I need this job for my family and I can call them through phone.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I usually sleep at around 10 p.m. when all my work is done, sir, and I usually wakes up at 6 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patiently and calmly talk to them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, who will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir, because they buy.
Okay. Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir, but as much as possible, I wanted to have my own room for privacy.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise finish to your contract?
Yes, sir. And I will willingly like to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest person. I will promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.